Hello guys, so today the topic is first aid. So here we will discuss about what is first aid, meaning of 3PS, meaning of ABC, first aid kits and some urgent treatments. So let's see. What is first aid? It is an immediate and temporary care of a casualty after an accident before the availability of proper medical care. Meaning of 3PS. Preserve life, prevent worsening, promote recovery. Meaning of ABC. Airway, breathing, circulation. What are the kits should be in the first aid box? Forceps or tweezers, disposable thermometer, first aid instruction booklet, band-aid or adhesive tapes, gauze pads and tapes, scissors, cold pack, wound bandage and compress, ice pack or ice wash solution, first aid burn cream, antibiotic ointment, face shield or barrier masks for providing CPR. Let's see some urgent treatments. It will be helpful for us. Get someone to call 911 or the medical alert system for your location. Start chest compression immediately. Push down hard and fast in the center of the chest, allowing the chest to come back up naturally between compressions. Continue until someone with more training has arrived. If you are trained in CPR, use chest compression and rescue breathing. Use an AED if one is available. It is important to not delay chest compressions so have someone else find one while you do chest compressions. Rinse the wound with water if possible. Cover the wound with a gauze or cloth, towel, blanket, clothing, whatever is available. Apply direct pressure to stop the blood flow and encourage clotting. If possible, evaluate the bleeding body part above the heart. Don't remove the cloth if it becomes soaked through, but add more layers if needed. Remove the first layer with interfere the clotting process and result in more blood loss. Stand behind the person and lean them slightly forward. Put your arms around their waist, clench a fist and place it between their navel and ribcage. Grab your fist with your other hand. Put the clench first sharply backward and upward under their ribcage in 5 quick thrusts. Repeat until the object is coughed off. Flush the burned area with cool running water for several minutes. Do not use ice. Apply a light gauze bandage. Take ibuprofen and acetaminophen for pain relief if necessary. Do not break any blister that may have formed. Do not apply ointments, butter or oil remedies to a burn. Don't try to straighten it. For a limb, use a splint and padding to embolize it. Put a cold pack on the injury with a barrier between it and the skin to prevent tissue damage. If ice is all that's available, put it in a plastic bag and wrap in the shirt or towel. If it is extremity, evaluate it. If anti-inflammatory drugs like Advil, ibuprofen or naproxen for the pain. Get the stringer out any way you can to keep it from injecting more venom. The method does not matter. It is most important to do it quickly. Wash the area with soap and water. Use a cold pack to reduce swelling at the site, but don't apply ice directly to the skin. Use an antihistamine like Benadryl to reduce swelling and itching. Use Advil or Tylenol for pain. So guys, first aid does not take the place of proper medical care. It is a temporary measure using minimal or no medical equipments. So we have to keep it in our mind. And the first aider should have knowledge of how to first aid resources and when it is used. First aid doesn't help us with recovery. It helps to save lives. So it is important for everyone.